Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to compare between YouTube TV versus Hulu TV. We will compare them in terms of their specs, price, channels, value, picture quality, user experience, and more. So by the end of this video you will be able to have a better understanding which one is best for you. So now let's get started. In the quest to replace traditional cable TV, YouTube TV and Hulu TV stand out as prominent contenders. However, with recent price adjustments, the decision between the two has become even more intricate. Both services offer a robust selection of channels, but recent channel losses may influence your choice. And in this updated comparison, we will explore more about the strengths and weaknesses of YouTube TV and Hulu TV. So now first let's talk about the specs of both. When talking about the starting price per month, YouTube TV costs about $73 per month, while Hulu TV will cost you $77 per month. And for the channels, YouTube TV has more than 100 channels plus YouTube originals. On the other hand, Hulu with Live TV have more than 85 channels, including Disney Plus with ads and ESPN Plus. Now for the DVR, both offer unlimited DVR storage. On demand, both offer on-demand content. Device support, both support various devices including smart TVs, streaming devices, and mobile devices. And finally, simultaneous streams. YouTube can stream up to 3 streams simultaneously, and if you choose the package with $85 per month, you'll get a limited option. While Hulu with Live TV can stream up to 2 streams simultaneously. Now let's get into the new point, which is the channels. The channel assortments of YouTube TV and Hulu TV are largely similar, with YouTube boasting more channels, over 100, compared to Hulu's claim of over 85 top channels. However, each service has its omissions and unique offerings. Now, there are some notable differences that you will find between YouTube TV and Hulu TV. Hulu TV includes history and lifetime, which is absent in YouTube TV. YouTube TV lacks A&E and the ACC, ESPN, Sports Network, which Hulu offers. Hulu TV is missing Univision, AMC, ION, BBC America, BBC World News, and Sundance. YouTube TV doesn't have MeTV and INSP, while Hulu TV lacks INSP. Now let's talk about the price. YouTube TV and Hulu TV have both experienced price increases. YouTube TV now starts at $73 per month, while Hulu TV has risen to $77 per month. Despite the higher cost, Hulu offers a better value proposition due to its bundled services including Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. And talking about the price, this will jump us into the next point, the value. Hulu TV offers more than just live TV, with access to shows and movies on Hulu TV, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus as part of the Disney bundle. While YouTube TV provides an additional simultaneous stream, Hulu's bundled services make it an appealing choice for many. And now let's jump into the picture quality. Both YouTube TV and Hulu TV stream live TV in the 72 pixel to 1080 pixels range. Similar to traditional cable channels, neither service includes 4K live streams in their entry-level plans, though some 4K content is available at an additional cost. And for those people who are keen on physical activities, let's talk about the sports. YouTube TV offers an array of sports options, including NFL Sunday Ticket, NFL Network, and NBA TV, making it a compelling choice for sports enthusiasts. On the other hand, Hulu TV only offers NFL Network, and neither service carries MLB Network. Now let's talk about the DVR. Both YouTube TV and Hulu TV offer unlimited cloud-based DVR storage with recordings expiring after 9 months. This feature is on par with the best option in live TV streaming services. And finally, the user experience. YouTube TV provides a more user-friendly experience with recommendations on its home screen and seamless fast-forwarding and rewinding. In contrast, Hulu TV's user interface can sometimes be less intuitive, with occasional buffering issues and difficulties in finding live TV content. So, in conclusion, which one should you choose? While YouTube TV and Hulu TV offer similar services, the choice may ultimately hinge on your channel preferences. Despite Hulu's price increase, it provides a better value proposition with bundled services. However, for sports enthusiasts, YouTube TV shines with its extensive sports coverage and data-driven content. In terms of user experience, YouTube TV offers a more user-friendly interface. Ultimately, the decision between YouTube TV and Hulu TV depends on your specific priorities and preferences, with YouTube TV edging out slightly in this comparison. So tell me down below in the comments which one is better for you and which one will you choose, YouTube TV or Hulu TV. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.